कॉफ़ी या चाय पीने का अलग ही मज़ा है।
Coffee. Wait. Please rotate. Let me rotate more. See.
Enough.
That's cool. Now let's unbox this one. Coffee kit. Okay. Let's unbox this. Okay. Let me see that what they have given to me. Oh, sorry. Yeah, here we go. See guys, what you got? We got especially an intense coffee. That's a sugar. And that's a dairy cream, and that's a cream. I like it that one. Okay, other than that, wait, let me show you. That's a peanut Nikya. I love that too. And this, what is it? This is sandwich. That's a spoon which we got. A spoon. And that's our fruity. Can you see? We got fruity. That's some sweets. I think that's the sweets. So let's eat this afterward. We'll meet you on another video.